This $4,000 portable lathe will be in every corner of the world because it does the threading really well. This portable lathe just came out 3 years ago, but it had a main flaw. It couldn't do the threading really well. It was doing the welding and machining properly. It had two display control box, one of them for machining and the other for welding. This new invention had really changed the world. It's almost the same as the old model, but with a really good twist. The main difference is that it has a servo motor, and the servo motor's data will travel through the commutator to outside. So the servo motor gives the positioning needed for the threading, and it does the threading really well. It's not like that old school machines that just copy a thread by copying another thread. It's not a copy machine, it's really doing CNC threading at its finest. It has a touchscreen display in which you can operate the machine with really ease. You can choose from lathe, weld, and thread function. Let us start with the lathe function. You can give the machine the distance travel that you want to machine by itself. So when it reaches that distance, it stops automatically. You can manual jog the machine. And look at it. It can easily go back and forth. It can easily turn around. And you can position it with the manual jog, and then you can start the machine and do the machine. You can see there is no backlash in the machine. It machines the part with really good precision, like 0.01 tolerance. The other functions that it has, it's the welding. In order to weld with this machine, you just take out the head and add the flexible joint on top. The cable will go through the back. The cable for threading will go through the back, and you connect it to the welding machine. And you can, of course, weld perfectly with the weld function. The other function that it has is the threading. Again, you can define the distance you want to thread, the rotation speed, if it is right-handed or left-handed thread, and the pitch of the thread. Of course, you can have decimal in the thread in order to do inches. We believe that this machine will ease the machining of every axle in every corner of the world. So by 2027, every city will have at least one of it. If you want to have one of these, you can contact us and you will have it for only $4,000. Let us build the world. Here is the control box. Inside the control box, you can see it's a really neat and simple design. You can see that the welding this shaft lathe can do. This is the first day, of course, and we are not really ready for clean welds. We're just trying on the shaft.